Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to incorporate our new Rizos Curls products into your wash day routine. Now this routine is perfect when you want to fully reset your hair and your scalp. My first step is going to be our new Nourish oil, and I'm going to apply a full dropper and massage it into my scalp to break up all that product buildup and all that oil that I've accumulated. I also like to take it onto my ends, and then I apply a shower cap or any bag you have lying around and leave it on for 10 minutes. Then I make sure to fully wet my hair and go in with our detox scalp scrub. Apply a small amount, a little goes a long way because it does lather, and then use our scalp massage brush to exfoliate and to massage it in. Rinse it thoroughly, usually 2 to 3 times to remove all the product, and go in with our hydrating shampoo. I like to really lather it in, but focus it mainly on my scalp. And then I rinse, and instead of going in with our deep conditioner, we go in with our vitamin C hair repair mask throughout all of my hair from the root to the tip, making sure that every hair is covered. Then I go in with our shower comb, and having the mask in makes it so much easier to detangle. I form 2 buns and make sure to keep the mask in for at least 10 minutes while I continue the rest of my shower routine. Then I take the buns out and I rinse my hair thoroughly, and I style my hair normally. This is what it looks like after styling. Then I like to take some more oil to break the cast of the gel and for soft curls. I apply it to my ends and I really scrunch it in, a little bit on my scalp. And these are my results. My scalp and my hair has never felt or looked better. Thank you for watching. Bye!